What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Animal Rivals, which it is kind of like my first time playing this game, so I'm not good at it necessarily, so let's just try to see if anybody will join me. Yo, anybody join me in a 1v1 or like a 2v2?
What if you want a 1v1? You totally.
Yeah, I want a 1v1, guys.
Do not do that. Do not 1v1 him. You don't want to 1v1.
Yo, let's do a 2v2. Will anybody 2v2 me?
I just need 250 points. I'm at 220.
We do 2v2.
Look at somebody tell me put arms on.
Any game goes one.
Guys, let's do a 2v2.
Stand here.
Any game.
Here, me and you just do a 1v1.
Why not arms on? You don't mean chasing with that.
Oh, we got a person. Let's get this. Get up here. I like it up here more. Wait, what should you get? Yes, go. I'm good at this map.
Match starting.
I'm gonna try to cook this person up.
Round starting.
I'm not necessarily good at the game. He doesn't know where I am. I don't think. Of course. No, bro. Bro, I didn't see dude. I didn't see bro there.
Round starting.
If I can get him with this gun. Shoot, I already messed up on that one. What? Bro. I'm getting cooked.
Round starting.
Good job. See if I can cook these people out now.
Round starting.
I'm really not that good at Animal Rivals. I just never play it. Frick. Good job. Get over here. Aw. I'm decent with pistols. I might exchange it.
Round starting.
This gun. No, let me get my pistol actually. Frick. No. Match point, no.
Round starting.
I always lose on the match point. He knows what point is. Shoot, I missed like every shot, bro. No. Good job, good job. Rematch? Yeah. Let's do this map. Since I got my map, I'm gonna let him get his map. Cause maybe he likes that one. I mean, pick this up.
Match
I
starting.
think he would like it.
Round starting.
Shit. Shit. No, bro. I'm not usually this bad. I'm
Round
just
starting.
not that good at this kind of stuff. Like, I'm not this kind of gamer that does this kind of stuff. I'm a gamer that plays competition. But I keep going out of my barrier. I'm so bad. I gotta actually get better at this game. No. I'm getting cooked. I'm just so bad.
Round
Just
starting.
so bad I can't do anything. I mean, I'm good at like wall running. No, oh no, no. No. It gave me such a big advantage. I'm cooked. I'm actually doing so bad this round. Oh, I didn't even see him. I feel like I only go like for some TikTok things.
Round starting.
Shit, but I feel like I'm always on the wall. I mean, sometimes that won't be a bad thing, but like, sometimes I can't. No. Good job, bro. Well, rematch your home. Going home. And you just give much coins. I don't know, like, how do you get what is this? One game. Team deathmatch.
I'm coming.
2v2 guys, 2v2. 2v2, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Yeah, both beginners against these hard people. Who cares? We got this in the bag, guys. We got this in the bag. Yeah.
Was that you who was in the last match? No, dude was.
I'm so bad at roll running. Roll running. Let's go, bro.
Match starting.
We got this in the bag, teammate. We got this in the bag.
We got this.
What level are you?
Round starting.
I have no clue. I just started the game.
Okay, he's off, he's off. I hit him. 4. That's fine. Right there, right there, right there. Get him. He's using the sniper. He's down. Got him. Put it up. One shot.
No. I ran out of ammo.
Behind you. Look back. He's right. Coming to you. On there. Up.
No.
Oh my gosh.
I got out of my barrier.
Oh, it's okay, bro. It's okay.
Yeah, I just started the game.
Round
I'm not
starting.
used to this.
That's why you said you guys got this in the bag. Damn it. Bro, please team it off in.
No, I ran out of ammo.
You don't have ammo? Guys, bro, the mini pistol.
No.
The Deagle.
Round starting.
We got this.
Yep, 30. Ooh, one shot.
Frick. Bro, I keep going under my barrier so much. We got this in the bag.
Teammate, that is definitely.
Let's go.
We got it, let's go.
Yes.
Okay, come on, bro. Find me.
Round starting.
Find me.
Shoot. Let's go.
Teammate, we have to lock in.
Let's go, bro.
Oh, okay, use that gun. When you don't have ammo, switch another gun, okay?
Shoot the grenade right there. Right there.
Go back here. Dang! You shoot two.
Let's go, bro.
Teammate, walk in there. Just watch me, then now just kill them, okay?
Round starting.
We got this in the bag. We got this in the bag. Shoot. Let's go.
Teammates, they're rushing. They're rushing. If we rush, we got this in the bag.
I thought we were done. Oh, we got this in the bag. We got this in the bag. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, come on. Okay, follow me.
Round
Follow me.
starting.
We're goated. We're goated. We're goated.
Hey guys, are you aware I'm a pay to win? Bro, they're literally just tiny bit. I can literally spam RPG all I want.
No.
And you can try it.
Okay, we're still fine. We're still good. We're still good.
Try about it. Try about it.
We're still good. We're still good. We're still winning.
Take it at me, bro. Let's do it. Actually, I look it. Fine that you lost.
No. Bro, I keep getting out of my barrier.
Timmy, you can lock in, teammate.
Round starting.
Okay, we got this. We got this. We got this. No. No, it's all up to you. Let's go. We won.
Rematch. You scared?
Let's go. Let's go.
Yo. What do we point to this?
Let's go, bro.
Damn.
We won.
Okay. Scared?
Let's go.
He's so scared. He's so scared. You're so scared if you don't rematch. You're so scared. You're fucking pushing. Oh my god, you're so scared.
Bro, you know I'm making a video right now.
You're so scared.
You're on
so
YouTube.
scared. You're so scared. You're so scared. Don't fucking care.
Okay. I don't give a shit.
Yo, tell your teammate.
Nah, I'm going home because those kids are showing. They're just mad because we beat them. They're just so mad because we beat them. Nah, bro, it's crazy. You don't have to get mad over one thing. Like, bro, we just beat you.
Yeah, I'll go.
It's like not that big of a deal.
It's the organ.
Like,
Oh, yo, teammate list. Yo, dude, teammate list.
like, it's not that big of a deal.
It's the organ fairy.
Like, bro. But I can unlock the gun.
Yo, guys, I'm on the last
Let's
thing
go.
for these two. I'm at the last two for these. I have the exact level I need for both of them.
Wait, guys, if I unlock this gun, where do I?
On AK. I might get the aqua bundle.
And I should unlock all these guns. Shit, I don't have enough for any of them. I got 115.
It's it's not like a gun.
Wait, guys, how do I unlock the next gun?
I'm gonna try to get the
Wait,
sniper.
this.
It one.
I have to get level
It
6.
one taps headshot.
I have to get level 2. What level am I? That's the thing.
Yeah,
Where do I see what level I am?
You can't, because I don't.
Unlock the...
That's how you get the RPG. Yo.
No. But
Okay.
that's gonna be it for today's video. If you made it this long, make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.
I don't know.